Self-love is like when you lift that weight off your shoulder, you kind of stop beating yourself up. You stop that negative dialogue in your head, and you just tell yourself it's okay to be who you are, and you don't really fear like that external judgment. You just kind of, open up.
Society is changing, and the brand is adding something that is revolutionary and making other people who've normally been overlooked feel normal.
It comes down to like self-expression, just being able to be yourself to like 100%, like all you. And I think brands like this make it a little bit easier for you so that I don't have to squeeze myself into a pair of mall underwear that I don't want to be in to achieve the same kind of thing. I find that like, it's just not often that you find a brand that speaks to you specifically.
Self-expression to me is really feeling good about how you look, how you're presenting to the world, and having choice in what that is. No one else coming in and saying, okay, this is how you have to look, this is how you have to feel, but it's really about yourself. It's about feeling as if, wow, I look in the mirror, I go outside, and how I feel on the inside is reflected on the outside. So I'm able to express that in the way that I'm in control of, not anyone else.
A gender-free world to me looks peaceful. There's no pressure to be a certain way. It's just everybody is free to be them.
Your body.
Your body.
Your body.
Your body.
Your body. A brand for the human being.